the right way. All right, cool. I believe that we are on and going. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitch and Periscope. I've been hanging out with Clubhouse for like a minute and a half. I feel like y'all late to the party, but it's my bad because it was my bad. Forget yeah, so we might as well get to it. What do I want to do? I want to share my screen, and we're gonna go ahead and start looking at the market. Okay, let's look right at it. Yesterday was a training, so I probably erased my entire screen worth of markup. So I start from beginning again. Okay, so we got back to 24. Last night I called a trade in the trade room saying that we would trade from 11 to 20. Ray, what was it I said? I said 11 to 23 or 11 to 24. I think yeah. So I called that trade. So we traded to the tech and 11 to 24. So we end up with an overnight low of 11 and an overnight high of 25. So there we go. Let's make some levels so at least we know what we're doing for the day. Properties overnight low, as I just mentioned, will be 167.11. All right. And then the overnight high will be 167.25. That's 14 tick overnight range. High probability trend day. Very high probability trend day at this point. I'm looking for a trend to the upside, to be very honest. We should be able to load in some buyers at this level. And we have some unfinished business to do above. Okay. So we should be looking for the upside to do what they have to do. Let's find some other key levels. The open today was right here, 167.19. So we're basically trading exactly where we traded to start. You understand? The same place we traded to start, 167.19. We're trading currently 167.18.19. All right. So the market in all of its doing hasn't done anything. Understand? That's what I'm looking at. I always look at the opening price because the opening price is where the value is introduced. And I like to know where are we trading in relation to where things were introduced. You know what I'm saying? Where are we at right now for that, So basically trading the same price we started, which means nobody's mind is quite yet made up. You feel me? Nobody's got it all together. Nobody's saying, this is how it should go. And that's important. That's important. So we have an open right there. Call that 167.19. And then, of course, our last level has not yet been proven. I'll take questions if you all have them. And if you don't, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making some lines because I had to erase all of mine for yesterday's presentation. So, you know me, levels 3.7, 3 points down. Here I go. Levels that I care about. Let's start talking about that there. Above, I care about 168.02-ish. I also care about 168.13. I will care about that one. That's very important. All right. Super important. Above that, I'll care about 168.22. That'll get some of my attention. Above that, I'll care about looks like 169.11-ish. We could play though like a range. It's anywhere from like 6 to 11. So I'll call it like 8. But it's somewhere like in there. I'll pay that some attention. 167 to 169. Let's call it one more since I can get into the 170s. We'll go 3 points up. Levels above that I care about. I truly do care about what happens at 169.23, 169.24. It's pretty cool for me. So that's above. Below, I don't care about below. How about that? Today, I literally don't care about below because I don't think we're going down. I think we've got to go up. But if I had to care about below, I would really go back in time. Most people always ask, how far back do you look? How far back do you care about? And I say as far back as I need to go in order to see price. So literally right now, if you're following along, I'm looking at September, right? And now September's turned to October. I'm sorry, turned to August, and August into July. And we still have not seen any levels down around the 167. So when was the last time we traded 167? We haven't been in the 167s in over almost a year. Right? Last time we were in the 167s, it was March 19th. So that's how far back I gotta look to see what I care about below. And it ain't much, I'll tell you that. I don't care about much down here. It's a little bit of action. But not much. Not much to care about. I think down here I'm gonna care about 165.24. I think 167.05 needs to be achieved. I haven't seen it in a while, but it definitely needs to be achieved if we think about it from a gap perspective. What's up, bro? I'm trading on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is a software that's pretty dope. Man, you can download it for free, man. Just ninjatrader.com. Go to Ninja, like, whoa, trader, like, hey, what you got? Let me get that.com. NinjaTrader.com. And you can go there, man. You just hang out, do your thing. Download it, dude. What'd you say, bro? Yes, I have built quite a fruitful relationship with NinjaTrader. I'm an official NinjaTrader educator and a vendor. They have my course on their platform, stuff like that. They believe in what we're building over here. I think more than just me, though, Ken. If I had to really say it, I think that NinjaTrader believes in what we're doing, which is changing people's lives, teaching people sound educational methods, teaching people how to stay safe as traders. And I think that because of that, they have a good relationship with all of us, so platform support is easier. Purchasing a course, purchasing a lifetime license is a little less expensive. Purchasing data is a little less expensive, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. But I'm blessed for that, It's like an honor to lead, you know what I'm saying? It really is. It really is. I'm sitting at the very same table I learned how to trade at. This is the table. Every morning I would wake up, it would be quiet in this house just like it is now, and I would lose a lot of money. And it feels good to have like a full circle moment where I sit at the table and I make money. And so I'm humble, man. When I tell you humble to serve the situation, like humble. I think I see something else I care about. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna care about 166.17. I'm gonna care about that. I don't want to, but I'm going to. That's all I got, man. Below, it's not much to care about. If it falls below 167.11 and closes, hit the road, Jack. Quite literally hit the road and don't you come back no more. I think it can just run. I really do think that the market can run if we get below the overnight low. It can just run. Let me see. All charts. 3, and let's apply that, and then let's stretch this out to February the 5th. Apply. Yep, so that's what I got, man. Those are the levels that I have that I care about. That's going to be about it for me today. Anything less. Hey, yo, Spice, guess what I was wondering?
Oh, what's up?
So I was wondering what happened with Tom Brady and him and Donald Trump. Like I saw something, I was like, "What's this about?" Like, I haven't seen TV in a while.
Yeah, I think they were just talking about. I think they were just talking about like the relationship and how like a lot of Tom Brady's accolades and stuff like that isn't just because of football and all this stuff. It's also because of his white privilege. And they were talking about how about like LeBron, he can't do the same things that Tom Brady can do, stuff like that.
Okay. All right. So
nothing big. Nothing big.
Boilerplate stuff, regular stuff. Okay.
Just regular football stuff.
Okay. All right. I was wondering.
Yeah, what about them Chiefs, man? They almost had a scare. The barber who was cutting all the players in personnel hair had COVID.
No.
Yeah.
No. The NFL didn't set up a bubble?
Nah, they pulled them out. They pulled them before they finished cutting people's hair.
The NFL didn't set up a bubble for this event?
Oh, no.
There are billions of dollars riding on this event.
Yeah, I was about to say, they got to get their money, Jay. What you mean?
I'm saying, hey, man, if it's $1 billion riding on something, I'm going to protect it at all costs. Hey, players, come in, take tests, and to go nowhere. Don't worry. If you want anything in the world, we will bring it to you. You cannot go anywhere. Be quiet, be still. I'm going to protect that investment because that's a lot of money, man. It's a lot of money. Oh, man, let me see. What time is it? It's 8:14. I'm going to ask, are there any questions? I believe somebody has a question. Neil, I'm trying to see how do I do that? I want you to come on up. Neil, can you? Yeah, there you go. Neil, what's up, man? You have a question?
Hey, bro, I was hearing your conversation about my boys and to tell you truthfully, that barber man, they take him everywhere. He goes on all the football trips and everything, man. So that's why that happened.
Oh, because he was already a part of the groove. So when okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, he cuts all of them hair.
That makes sense. This makes sense.
That boy has a good hustle. He gets about $50 to $100 a clip.
I'm not mad at it. I bet you I'm not. Melody say I was up trading last night, lost 100. Help. Okay, Melody. Come meet me in the trade room. We can talk about what happened, Melody. Just tell me, like what trade did you lose? Tell me what you did. And then we can kind of look at the decision-making process together. I'd love to look at the trade with you. Just let me know which one it was. Ross said, good morning, Derek. Good morning, Max. I see you. I appreciate the thumbs up too on Facebook, man. Thank you. Can you tell me the best time to trade in the evening? There's no such thing as a best time to trade, Max. No such thing. There's no bad time to take a good trade. What we have to do is focus on taking the good ones. Like yesterday, I got pretty banged up in the market in the morning, pretty well frustrated. I want to say like I ended up doing I easily did about 75 push-ups yesterday just because I'm making stupid mistakes. And one of my rules is you make a mistake, you do some push-ups. So I haven't had to do 75 push-ups in like a year and a half. But I was so frustrated. So I got up, take a walk, take a breather, reassess, look at the kids, and then come back, Max. And the money I made, I literally made it after 12. When people say things are done for, you make the money late. It don't matter. Timing is nothing, because our 8 a.m. is somebody else's 2 p.m. and it's somebody else's 8 p.m. Somebody else is 11 o'clock. So there's no such thing as a best time. What you're looking for is a best trading scenario. That's what you're looking for, Max. No such thing as a best time, but that's a good question, Max, from YouTube. Appreciate you. Good morning. No way. What's good? Lewis, I see you. Why do you believe that today will trend to the upside? I believe that today will trend to the upside because we have daily support at 11. Not only that, we've touched it 3 times, and every time that we've touched it, we've shot up pretty vehemently. In fact, the most recent time we shot up from 11, it was more vehement than the first 2. So I don't know, maybe more buyers are participating than participated last time. So I just believe that there's upside business to take care of. There's daily support at 11, and we should be getting to the upside. Good question, Melody. Emil was good. Root to the Q, though. Big dog. Tanika, I see you. Good morning, Ella. What's popping? Very good to see you. Good morning, everybody. I thought this took place at the trade room. Nah, it doesn't take place at the trade room. I just come on here a little early, Melody, in order to, just share, to educate. You know what I'm saying? To educate. It's a good way to put out content. It's a good way to teach. It's a good way to share. It's a good way to expose what it is that we do to people, and keep encouraging people to take advantage of the opportunity. So many people have played games with us in this market. Man, so many people. I just found out about this thing called idea dinners. Man, just go look up idea dinners. People have been playing with the market and doing whatever suits them forever. And I think that it's about time that we all just discuss what it is we know. So this is just a part of that like open discussion. You know what I'm saying? I just want to share what it is I'm going through and what I know. You know what I'm saying? It could be what people know. It could be different. It could be the same, Just want to make sure that I'm sharing what I know. This is the wrong meeting. Let me go back. Leave this one. I'm trying to get the bullies in here. Jay the Trader's room. There we go. Boom. Get the bullies off in here. Kirky, what's good? Good morning. Good morning. Matter of fact, every time I try it, I get 11. Yeah. Hold on. Let's see. It's more questions. Is that 11 p.m.? Sherry, no. It's 167.11. A price, a bonds price. Jay, do you need a license key to trade? And Sam, if you have funded your account, if you funded your account, then it kind of depends on what you're trying to do. Because if you fund your account with Ninja, but you haven't funded it to trade, you just funded it for the data, then your SIM license key will work. However, once you purchase the platform, they'll give you a license key. And that license key will allow you to be able to trade your funded account for real money. So it all depends on kind of what you funded. I got left at 11 this morning. Hey, when it happens, sometimes you got to step ahead, take 12s. You remember what I told Sean in the trade room the other day? You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to skip the line, take the 12s if you can't get the 11s. Rodney Singletary. That's right, Jay. I made over 1,200 last night. Good job. Good job, Rod. Oh, y'all can't see it. So y'all think I'm capping. Look, that's what the person said. Rodney Singletary made 1,200 last night on the sound. Yep. That's what I call. Good job, Rod. The foodie, the beauty says, do you think that because Apple and Tesla are down, that would have anything to do with the ZB going up? No. Like, Apple's big. Apple doesn't have an army. So there's like, you ever heard that Jay lyric? Don't shoot at the same basket. Don't hang with don't pay the same taxes. Like, there are companies, and those companies are cool, but those companies quite literally don't have a defense system or a tax base or legislators or generals. So yeah, they move markets with what they do, but it's like comparing a tiger to an elephant. Yeah, bro, you're a tiger. Whoop-de-doo. But there's absolutely nothing you can do with this huge monstrosity of a government. Nothing. So Apple and Tesla, whatever. I don't think that has to do with the bonds going up. I think the bonds are going up because they found daily support. Keith, it's all good, man. You're very, very welcome. Keith from YouTube, very welcome, man. If you want to thank me, do me a favor, share it. Go tell somebody. Matter of fact, I tried to get 11. Yeah, I got left at 11. Kevin Kline got left at 11 too. It's all good, man. I told y'all, sometimes you got to skip that line. If you can't get 11, take the 12s. Let's go. Skip that line. When you had that feeling, just go for it. It's Flip. Appreciate you blessing us. Okay, what up, Flip? Appreciate you, man. Much love. Sherry Tolbert, thank you, Max. I had to step away Did you answer the question on evening time to trade, ZB? Why are you stepping away? Why you stepping away, Bax? Look, you know how it goes. The water is still. When the water gets troubled, that's when you jump in. Now, you can't be standing around the water all the time and get up and take a bathroom break and come back, the water's still, and everybody else got their healing. Gotta hang around, man. Gotta hang around, Max. There, in short, what I said, Max, was there's no bad time to take a good trade. Absolutely no bad time. You feel me? You could take a trade. I believe it's 8:23, and we've extended just a little bit past the normal time. Everybody, thank you so much for the opportunity to hang out with me today, hang out with you. It means a whole lot to me. We wake up early, we get to the bread. That's it. I don't really have anything else, man. I don't feel like promoting nothing. This is what I want to promote, man. Go love somebody. Go help somebody. Go do a favor for somebody today. Go check on somebody today. Go be nice to somebody today. Take somebody that's old a plate of food. Something like that. Do something for somebody else today. You want to help out the community. You want to help out Jay the Trader. It's not about buying the course. It's not about coming to the webinar. Do me a favor. Today, find out who got a relative that got COVID and, take them a plate of food or something. I don't know. Just go be nice to somebody. That'll be the best way to do this. You know what I'm saying? Just be kind to somebody. Show love to somebody. Encourage somebody. That's an act of kindness too. You know what I'm saying? Like, encourage somebody. You see somebody trying something and they your relative and they just trying to do something, man, help them. You know what I'm saying? Encourage them. Let them know that they can do it. We all love Jeff Bezos right now. But I wonder how many people thought he was an idiot when he was in that small little office with that Amazon paper going across his wall. You know what I'm saying? Trying to sell his little books online. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Let's support the people, even in the fledgling, seedling stage of what they're doing. Let's support them, man. Let's show them some love. You feel me? That's all I got. I appreciate y'all. You already know what it is. Clock on the wall says that's about all. I enjoyed y'all. Had a ball. Well, boom, boom, ski, ski. That's it. I got to split. About to go hang out with the bullies in the trade room. Peace.